So here we have the English coins. How can we sort them? We could maybe look at their colour. So we've got some sort of coppery, browny colours there. We've got some silver ones there. And we've also got some gold there, haven't we, as well? The size. So they're quite big. We've got a couple of small ones there, maybe 20p as well, it's quite small. Shape. So have a look at the sort of round coins. And we've got some different shapes here. Words. So if we actually look at the coins, we can see that £1, £2, and then these ones have got pence or penny. Alright. I think the most important way we can sort these is actually by looking at the value of the coins, because when we look at one coin, that isn't the value. So we won't count these and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 coins, so that's the value of them. We actually need to look at the coin and look what the value is. So for example, here we have 1 penny, so that is the value. We've got 2 pennies, 5 pennies, 10 pence, 20 pence, 50 pence. Then we move on to the pounds, £2. So looking at all of the coins, we'll look at them sort of one by one and look at what do you notice. Thinking about those words that we were talking about just before. What's the shape? What's the colour? What's the value? What's the size like? Moving on to the next one. What do you notice about this one? What's the same? What's different to the coin we've just looked at? The colour's the same. It's round. But it's a bit bigger, and the value is now 2 pence. What do you notice about this one? It's round. It's silver. It's quite small. And the value's 5. So it's 5 pence. What do you notice about this one? It's silver, like the 5p. It's a bit bigger than the 5p though. It's round. And its value is 10. To the next one. What do you notice about this coin? It's silver, but it's not round. It's quite small. It's a funny shape. And its value is 20. What about this one? It's the same sort of shape to the 20p. It's the same colour, but it's a bit bigger. And its value is also 50p, and not 20p. Well, this is a new one. Now this coin is actually very, it's only just sort of changed to this in the last couple of years. But what do you notice? What's different? It's gold. It's got a little bit of silver in. It's a funny shape. It's not the biggest, but it's not the smallest. And we're not looking at pennies anymore. We're now looking at a pound. £1. And finally, we have this one here. So it's gold and silver. It's round. It's quite big. It looks sort of similar to the £1, but it's bigger, isn't it? And more round. And its value is £2.